Alright everyone, I was actually going to pack up for the night, but I figured let's get one more video in because I'm trying to knock out all these accessory videos so I can dive back into the main coverage for the iPhone 15 Plus. And I got one more accessory coming. I think it'll be getting delivered tomorrow. So more videos are coming, y'all. And then I might just do a my favorite accessories for the iPhone 15 Plus video, so I can give y'all my overall favorites and overall recommendations all in one video. But let's get into tonight's video. So tonight, what I have for everyone is my full review of the Caseology Parallax mag case for the iPhone 15 Plus. I've been using this case for a good amount of time, and I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on it, and that's what I'm going to share with everyone in tonight's full review. So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys and gals know if this case is worth picking up for your device. Alright, let me do some quick housekeeping, and then we'll dive into tonight's full review. So recording the video here this evening, I am using the rear-facing camera on the Moto Edge 2020. This evening's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. However, I am using my professional studio lights here this evening, so please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall lighting down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, if this video piques your interest, all the links to everything featured in this evening's video will be linked up down below in the video description. And down below in the video description will contain affiliated links. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission from it that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links located down below in the video description a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Also, if you would like to see any more extended coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus, or any more coverage on my favorite or recommended accessories for the iPhone 15 Plus, I'll link those videos up down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description should truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's dive into this video. Let's go. So starting off here, the first thing I want to talk to everyone about in regards to the case is the overall build quality and design of this case. And this is an area where I have to say Caseology has done a great job. Now, in terms of the overall build quality, it is top-notch in my opinion. When we talk about the overall build materials, we have different combinations of texturized and matte plastic materials here. And then we have some really nice and strong magnets on the inside as well. That's how we retain that full MagSafe capabilities for our device. But as I said, the overall build quality, in my opinion, is top-notch, and I do really like the overall combinations of textures that Caseology put into this case, and they managed to add a bunch of grip all over the case, which is really, really nice in my opinion. Talking about the overall design, I really do like this design as well. You have like matte material at the top and matte material at the bottom, and a nice dented pattern in the middle, which is also very texturized. And then you have some nice ridged patterns going around the entire edges of the device, which give it some really nice grip. And then you got some really nice shock absorption material on the inside, along with the MagSafe magnets. Again, I really do like the overall design of this case, in my opinion. Okay? So in regards to the overall build quality and design of the case on the whole, I have to say, again, across the board, Caseology has done a top-notch job, in my opinion, and in my experience. Let's move on now. Up next, let's talk about the overall fit and feel of the case on my device and in my hands. So in regards to the fit, and I think I got a stain right here. I got to clean that off with some wet wipes when I get done. In regards to the fit, I have to say this case fits perfectly on my device, as you guys and gals can see right there. Perfectly snaps into place. Everything fits perfectly. You can see it has some very nice precision cutouts as well. Really good stuff here in regards to the fit. Top notch in regards to the fit, in my opinion. Now, talking about the overall feel in hand, this is another area where Caseology did a top-notch job. Like I said, in regards to design, there is a bunch of texture and grip all over this case. So holding it in the hands, it feels really nice in the hands, and just holding it with a loose grip, it's not going anywhere. You can see I'm shaking with a very loose grip, and it's not going anywhere. That's because there's texture all over this case. Alright? So the overall fit of this case is top notch, and the overall feel in hand of this case, in my opinion and my experience, is top notch as well. So great job indeed, Caseology, right there. Alright? Moving on, now let's talk about the overall protection that this case provides. And this is another area where Caseology did a great job. In regards to the protection, this case offers maximum protection for my device. You can see we have fully covered buttons for our power button and our volume buttons, but we do still have some very nice precision cutouts for our mute slider, and we still maintain maximum clickiness and functionality as well. And if we look, we do have a nice raised lip going around the entirety of the display. So if I drop my device face down, my device is perfectly fine. And on the back, we do have a really nice raised camber bump. So if I drop my device back down, my device is perfectly fine. So no need for me to worry in regards to my display getting damaged, and also no need for me to worry in regards to my cameras getting damaged. And a really nice plus here when we talk about the protection is that this case is very camera lens protector friendly. I do have a very nice third-party tempered glass camera lens protector, and this case is very screen protector friendly as well. I have a very nice high quality tempered glass screen protector, and you can see both of these things work perfectly with this case. So in regards to the protection, as I said, this case offers maximum protection, and it is top notch in my overall opinion, and it should be very screen protector friendly and camera lens protector friendly as well. So once again, Caseology has done a great job in regards to this case and the overall protection that it delivers. Alright, up next now, let's briefly summarize the positives and the negatives of this case. Then we're going to go ahead and talk about the overall pricing and current availability. Then I'm going to get into sharing my overall final thoughts and make a recommendation to everyone as to whether or not if I think this case is worth picking up. So if you watch no other parts of this full review, as long as you watch these next two categories, you should get a really good overall general idea as to how I feel about this case right here. Okay? And disclaimer, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if you guys and gals decide to pick up this case for your device and you experience a positive that I did not mention in this video, and or you experience a negative that I did not mention in this video, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products and devices that we spend our hard-earned money on. And also, I'll have a full list of the negatives that I experienced and the positives that I experienced thrown up in the video and post. Please feel free to pause the video wherever you see said list that you're interested in if you'd like to read up and know more. Okay? Disclaimer done. Let's get into these last two categories. Let's go. So talking about the positives And basically, this is going to be a rundown of everything that I've talked about in the video so far. So, the overall build quality and design, in my opinion, is top notch. Okay? The overall fit and feel that this case offers is top notch as well. And the overall protection that this case provides is top notch as well. And this case is actually available at a really great price. And by far, my favorite feature of this case is that it maintains the MagSafe functionality. So if I pull out some of my favorite MagSafe accessories here, you guys and gals can see that the MagSafe functionality for my device works no problems. So my MagSafe phone stand right here, which is one of my favorites, works no problems. Pull that off. Drop this off to the side here. My MagSafe kickstand works no problems. And these by far are two of my favorite MagSafe accessories. Okay? Especially when I want to do something right here at my desk, or I want to do something in my bed and I need something to hold my device up. These are two of my all-time favorite accessories. And what's really cool as well is this works perfectly with my MagSafe wireless charger that I keep at my bedside. So that's also another really great positive, the fact that I maintain maximum functionality because I still get to use the MagSafe functionality for my device while also still getting full protection for my device. So, in my opinion, that runs down all of the positives. Okay? Now, let's talk about the negatives of this case. And honestly, guys and gals, in my time with this case, I haven't really experienced any negatives. Okay? Now, typically, I would be a little saddened by the fact that these cases pick up a lot of fingerprints, but this case does a really good job of not picking up fingerprints. So, honestly, with that being said, I experienced no negatives with this case. Okay? So that, guys and gals, runs down all the positives, and that also runs down all the negatives of this case that I experienced. Now, let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. So, in regards to the pricing, this particular case I picked up from Amazon, and before taxes, this bad boy ran me about $8. About $8.49. After taxes, it came up to about $9.08. Now, thanks to you guys and gals using those affiliate links located down below in the video descriptions, and thanks to some rewards points that I had saved up, this case costed me $0. Okay? I'll have a screenshot of my digital receipt thrown up in post because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. But that was the pricing before taxes and before I cashed in my rewards points and gift cards points. It was $8.49. After taxes, it came up to $9.08. And again, I cashed in my rewards points and my gift card points, and this costed me $0. Okay? Now, as of the recording of this video, let's check the current live pricing. So let me click on the link here. I have it pulled up on my computer in the background. Okay? Caseology Parallax mag case. This case is available in two colors. It's available in the matte black, which is what y'all see in the video this evening. And it's also available in a burgundy red, which kind of looks red, but it also looks like a dark shade of pink. Again, I'll have the B-roll up in post so y'all can check out the colors for yourselves. And this particular case is only available for the iPhone 15 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay? It's not available for any of the other iPhone 15 lineup, and it's not available for the newer iPhone 16s. Okay? Okay. But currently, in regards to the pricing, it is going for $9.99. So basically, it's going for $10. So it actually went up by, what was that? $1.50, because it was $8.49 when I picked it up. But after taxes, it was $9.08. And now it's $9.99 as of the recording of this video. So it went up by what? Like $1.50. But still, at that price, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case for your device? I would have to say yes. Yes, indeed. And I gotta be honest with y'all, this has turned into one of my favorite all-time cases for the iPhone 15 Plus. Honestly, when I talk about my favorite cases, and I know I told y'all I was going to do a separate dedicated video for all of my favorite accessories, but when I talk about all of my favorite cases for the iPhone 15 Plus, it really comes down to these three right here, okay? Like I've said this in multiple videos. I am a functionalist / utilitarian. So I really like a clean look and a case that gives you lots of grip and maximum protection, but also maintains full functionality for my device. And these three cases do that no problems. Okay? So if I had to show you guys and tell you guys my three favorite cases for the iPhone 15 Plus so far, even though I don't think I'm going to be picking up any more cases after this video, I got one more accessory and it's not a case, and I don't think I'm going to be picking up any more cases. But if I had to tell you guys and gals my three favorite cases as of the recording of this video, it would have to be these three right here. Okay? And I'll link these three down below in the video description if you guys and gals are interested in them, and I'll link up the extended coverage on them as well. Okay? But those are three of my favorite cases, and this is also one of the three. And as I said, I have no problems recommending that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this case if you're in the case, if you're in the market for a case for your iPhone 15 Plus or your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay? Alright everyone, that does it for tonight's video. Again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. I hope everyone is having a great evening. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone on the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right. We are done for the evening, man. I'm not even going to edit this till tomorrow. I'm about to slap this case on. About to switch into my PJs and jump into bed and call it a night. I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. Had to throw my kickstand on there because I will be watching YouTube videos or Amazon Prime or Netflix till I go to bed. So I'm going to switch into my PJs. I'm going to jump into bed and I'm going to call it a night. Have a good one, everyone. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.